morning, students. Now we are going to discuss a topic on reimagining supply chain business model through transparent information using design thinking process. Here we have a first of all we should know what is business intelligence. So business intelligence is one of the technology where we are going to adopt in all the organization, which is implemented as a BA tools. So nowadays BA tools are very helpful by using for hackathon then and for the organizational activities. For that we are nowadays they are using these BA tools as a implementation stage, and they are showing all the technologies, what are all the reports they are showing in a visualization. So visualization they can show the improvement of the organization in a picture wise or any grammatical images, then a pie chart or any chart they can show. They have a dashboard. Here dashboard is nothing but updation will be given in a regular days, daily basis they give updation. See, dashboard is nothing but whatever nowadays we know what is notification. Whatever the messages you are receiving through mobile, it is coming as a notification. So based on that notification, we are seeing what is the message we have received. So same as the dashboard, it is the information, the report will be generated on a daily basis. So here they have defined this problem, this business intelligence in a 5 stages. The 5 stages are empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. Based on these 5 stages, how the business intelligence have been reimaged for information flow. The first stage is empathize stage. So in the empathize stage we have one objective. The objective is where we have to insight the needs of the customer. So we need to identify the customer. Based on the customer, we need to gather the information from the customer. So after the information gathered from the customer, we can include all the suppliers, manufacturers and any logistic providers. So through that we can provide all the information. So the information have different type of challenges. Anybody can say the challenges?
Difficult and niche, focus on current limitation, lack of stakeholder collaboration.
Yes. So these are the challenges the manufacturer and the providers are facing. So here he is told that difficulty in needs. So what are all the difficulties? We need to express the data. We need to provide the information based on the consumer. After identifying the difficulty from the customer, we are going to focus on the current limitation. So the stakeholders are facing many limitations. That limitation can be rectified by getting a feedback from the customer. After rectifying that, we have some collaboration. So collaborating with stakeholders is very important. So through that we can have more information. We can gather the information. Based on that we can identify the problem. So after identifying the problem, the second stage is the defining stage. Based on the empathize stage, we are going to define, because we have collected a stakeholders communication based on collaborating. So based on the collaborating, we can have a transparent supply chain management. Through this, we can achieve our business goal. For achieving our business goal, there also we have many key challenges. Can we see the key challenges?
Value problem statement, misalignment with strategy, over emphasis on technology.
Yes. So these are the challenges we are facing. So the problem statement, it should be very vague. It should be identified quickly. After identifying our problem, we need to align our strategy. So the strategy is mainly based upon the blockchain only, because it should be trustable. So the customer should trust your blockchain. After trusting, you need to have to improve your technology. So nowadays all the customers are believing only the technology. So based on the technology, you can have a decision making. Here the third stage is ideate stage. So after defining your problem, you are generating your ideas. So the generating ideas should be shown to the consumer on the basis of BA tools like dashboard and technologies of blockchain and IoT. So this dashboard is a very important concept. You can give updation to your customer. So if you need to update your customer, for that also we need to face many key challenges. Anybody can say what are all the key challenges?
Limited innovation, stalled thinking, resistant to change.
Yes. So the first one is limited innovation. So before those days, the innovation is very rare. consumers are not willing to adapt any innovation. But nowadays, customers are willing to innovate new things, new technology, everything. So based on that, you need to update. So the thinking should be a diversified and based on rural area and urban area. So in urban area, all the technologies will be implemented quickly. In rural area, the peoples are illiterate, they don't know what is the technology. So based on that, you need to improve your technology. So the changes should be adapted by with the help of stakeholders. So that what are all the changes you are doing, it should be transparent to all the stakeholders. It should not be hidden. The fourth stage is prototyping stage. So your prototyping stage, after identifying your problem, you are creating your idea, you are going to create some model. So this model will show a platform. Based on the platform, customer can get a feedback. So this is a platform. It should be shown what you have innovated, what you have created through an image as a model. So for implementing this model, we have few challenges. Anybody can say the challenges?
Complex data integration, interpretation of prototype, balancing speed and depth.
Yes. So for creating a model, you should be integrate your data. So integrating your data is a very big process. You need to collect all the information from your customer or from the any geographical area. After collecting all the data, you are going to select your type. So based on the type, you can give a final solution to your stakeholders. So for that, you need to work speedily and you need to identify your data in a depth very deeply. Based on that only, you can create one model or image as a prototype. The final stage is the testing stage. Here, after creating your prototype, it should be validated. After validate, it should be given a clear solution with a proper implementation. What the solution you are giving, it should be trustable by all the stakeholders. So if you need to satisfy your stakeholders or a consumers, the information should be transparent. It should be an original one. For implementing the final solution, there also we have many challenges. Can you say what are all the challenges?
Weak feedback culture, slow feedback loops, unclear success metrics.
Yes. So based on these challenges, see, feedback culture is a very important one. If you are collecting feedback, based on that particular feedback, you can improve your technology or you can change your model what you are going to implement. After that, slow feedback is very drawback. So if you go and ask a consumer, they won't give a feedback immediately. They'll think. So for that, you need to explain them. Based on your explanation, they can give a feedback. The feedback can be collected through any link or any hot copies. You can collect your feedback. After collecting your feedback, you have to measure your success using metrics. That is, we call it as a KPI metrics. So based on that metrics, you can analyze how much successful, what is the percentage you have succeed. For that, you are using this metrics. So finally, you are telling that, so for reimaging your business, you are going to implement these 5 stages. Based on these 5 stages, you can have your stakeholders. After identifying your stakeholders, you can define it. After defining, you are going to create idea, then your prototype, you are going to give solution. So based on this solution, the particular company can flow their information in a transparent way and it should be trustable and it can be efficiently used in future ways.